how to generate AI images using Midjourney. What is Midjourney? It's an AI and machine learning to generate images based on text prompts. The results are really quite good in my opinion. Midjourney is in beta right now and anyone can test it out. To use the Midjourney beta you will need a Discord account. You can sign up for a free account on Discord's website. You can start with a free trial that includes around 25 prompts. After that, you can buy a subscription. I personally think it's very expensive. Unlimited is $30 plus taxes. I hope the price will come down soon. To get started, go to one of the newcomer rooms, channels in the sidebar in Discord. In the text box, enter /imagine and then type your prompt and submit it. Here are some really cool generations.